Hi everyone, my name is Akash Mangukiya and I have just given FMGE June 2022 in which I have managed to pass and I have got the score of 185. And I would say it was pretty tough exam, only 10% of the people are managed to pass, and I feel lucky of myself that I am on the other side of 150. So if you want to pass FMGE December 2022, watch this video full because I'm gonna give the strategy of FMGE December 2022 which you can follow if you want to.
Welcome to unrealization. We can prepare to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation. To raise the flag and do the preparation. Welcome to reality. There's no way back. Welcome to reality. Can't fuck with that.
So in this video I'm gonna share the strategy for two kind of people. One who are giving first time FMG December 2022 and second for those who are repeating. So I want you to take pen and paper first, then I will share the strategy. Yes, I'm talking to you. Go get up and take pen and paper. So first we are gonna talk about who are going to give exam for the first time. So today is 10th of July and you guys have 159 days exactly for the exam. First thing I will suggest you to make a schedule. I know most of you guys already started their preparation, but those people who haven't started their preparation, you can still start your preparation. You have 159 days. So first of all I would suggest that do not skip any subject. Try to complete every subject because nowadays you, me and no one knows from which subjects they are gonna ask more questions. Like this time in June 2022, they have asked more from biochemistry, and previously it was from ophthalmology, and previous that it was from ENT. No one knows which subjects they are gonna ask from. So no leaving of any subjects. You have to do all 19 subjects because all 19 subjects are important. So now decide which subjects you are gonna do first. I would suggest that you do first your basics. So if you do your pathology first, it will make you understand your concept of medicine and surgery better. After it, dedicate the days for your subjects. Like if you are weaker in some subject, give more days. If you are stronger in some subjects, give less days. But do it efficiently. Do not try to skip any topic. Do it efficiently every topic. I will not say exact days, that how many days you should dedicate to which subject. That you have to figure out on your own because no one can make your schedule other than yourself. And remember, at last there should be time for revision. So I want you to do your first round of all 19 subjects in 90 days. I'm gonna share my strategy that how I prepared for my FMGE exam in next video, but this video is for you only. This first time doing subjects should be done in 90 days, around 3 months. Make your schedule in that way that you cover up all 19 subjects in 90 days. There should be no excuses. You have to complete and you have to complete in 90 days. There should be no days off. You have to study every day. Dedicate your time towards your goal because we don't know how the FMGE December 2022 will be. And we also don't know that there will be FMGE exam in 2023 or not. So think that this is your last chance to pass and you have to clear it. Keep it in your mind. So this is a do or die situation for you. So you have to make your choices wisely. Let's say that you have completed all your subjects in 90 days. Give or take plus or minus 5 days, not more than that. If you have completed your first round of 90 days, then it's time for revision. I want you to complete this revision in 40 days and remember that you have to do MCQs along with this revision. This will be your first revision and think that this is your last revision, and after this revision you are gonna give your exam. So do it efficiently. Do not skip any topic. You have to do this revision efficiently with the MCQs. No more than 40 days for first revision. In this revision period, you have to do MCQs for at least 2 hours. You have to solve MCQ without seeing the answer first. Then you go and see the answers if you have got it right or wrong. If you have got it right, then how you got it right, and if you have got it wrong, then how you got it wrong. Review it and understand it because it is important that where you have done mistake. Because sometimes we eliminate irrelevant options and we choose one options. You don't know whether it's right or wrong, you just choose it. So I want you to also check right answer explanation that how you got it right. Just give 2 hours for 40 days in revision period. Let's say you will do 30 questions per hour. At the end of the 40 days, you will have done 2800 questions. Just think about it. 2800 is lot of MCQ. You will have enough MCQ to pass exam. So now you will have 29 days. From that 29 days, I want you to eliminate the exam week plus 1 day. So we will have 3 weeks, 21 days. So in this 3 week, do revision of your weaker subjects first, then your stronger subjects. Cover up the subjects that have more marks, that have more weightage on the exam, like PSM, medicine, surgery and OB/GYN. Do these subjects perfectly. You cannot miss any topic because these 4 subjects cover up 120 or 130 marks in exam. So you cannot miss any topic from these 4 subjects. You have to do it perfectly. Then after that you can go mid-range mark subjects like ENT, ophthalmology, pharma, micro, etc. This way you will make your weaker subjects stronger, and believe me, you will feel confident. And do not stop solving MCQ. MCQ is really crucial. You have to do all previous year questions in this period. I would say do last 3 or 4 years previous year questions. That will be enough, because before that there was only one liner questions. Nowadays they are asking more clinical questions, so you have to more focus on clinical questions. And really important, do not forget treatment of choice and photographs. They easily ask like 15 or 20 questions in this exam from photographs and treatment of choice, so you cannot miss this. So now the last week of your exam, make the schedule that way that you can cover up all 19 subjects in 7 days. Believe me, that is possible and you can do it, because I have done it. I have revised all 19 subjects in last 7 days of exam, and I have told you one extra day. That one extra day is for traveling, and because lots of people are living so far and they cannot travel to the location in just 1 day or few hours, so you have to get to the location before the exam day. So that's it for the first timers. Now I'm gonna share the strategy for repeaters. So repeaters already know the pattern of the exam. You also knows that how fast time goes when you are writing the exam, and maybe you have done all the subjects or most of the subjects. So if you have left with any subjects, do that first. Make your weaker subjects stronger, and if you have done all the 19 subjects, focus on your revision. You have done your hard work. Now it's time to show smartness. Instead of doing all the subjects all again, focus on doing weaker subjects only. Do question bank regularly, do previous year questions again, clear your concept, and you are good to go. So you have still 159 days, you can do anything because you have done most of the subjects and you have maybe done all the 19 subjects. You can make any weaker subjects stronger in this period. And you also need to do 3 revision before the exam. Anyhow, give at least 2 to 3 hours for the MCQs. And one more thing for repeaters and first timers, grant test. It's your own choice that you have to do the grant test or not. For me, grant test was really important. I have done grant test because it shows me where I stand, and I also have to practice to solve the questions with time, because time is really crucial thing. Some gets in pressure when the time is less and they have more questions to solve, so they just select any option they want, and this mistake makes them fail. And people who are repeating, I also want to say that it's really appreciable that you guys are not giving up and giving your best all the time, and you should be proud of yourself. Let the people talk, you just focus on exam and clear it. And that's it for you guys. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you follow this, and I hope that you pass. I will share my strategy that I have used for past June 2022 exam in next video. Until then, stay safe, study, bye bye.